Hi everyone, welcome back. If it's your first time visiting, my name's Karen Brar and this is the Hidden Wealth Academy, where we are taking a journey of stepping back into the master creators that we were here, to be. Okay, so how do we do that? Well, first we've got to learn to work with these invisible gifts of ours. It's an invisible part of us, just like our five senses. We have these amazing gifts at our disposal. They're known as our six mental faculties. The first one being our imagination. We've talked about our imagination in previous videos, and we talked about having different types of imagination, okay? The first one being our synthetic imagination. So synthetic imagination, what is it and how do we use it in our lives? Well, synthetic imagination, if you remember, we thought of, a chair. The first time that a chair was brought about was a creative, it came from a creative imagination, and every chair after that, love seats and wicker chairs and stools and on were synthetic. Okay, somebody started imitate that chair, and then they improved on it, and thank God that they did, because a chair evolved. So just like that, you can take synthetic imagination, even if you don't know what an amazing relationship looks like, or having all the time and money freedom in your life looks like, or living out your purpose looks like. You have friends, of people, or you read about people that have been amazing with this part of their lives. Okay, they flow with ease and grace, and they have tons of money and freedom to do whatever it is that they love. So that may be too big of a concept for you to adopt, right? So look at that, and they call it synthetic because what you do is you take certain traits and qualities about that person, you start to step into them, start to behave as if you already had it. Okay, how does it feel to wake up, to be a millionaire, have all the time and freedom in the world? Imitate. Okay, I know it sounds like, oh, we're faking it, but whenever we're babies, how we learn to walk is by looking at someone else, adults walking, and we try to do what? We try to imitate them, and before you know it, we start going, okay, and we get creative, we hold on to things, and our imagination starts to serve us. So if you keep wanting things, okay, you're always going to be wanting things. Remember, energy flows where attention goes. It works just like that. Wanting creates more wanting, okay? And so with that being said, try your synthetic imagination, step into it more and more, and see how you can evolve something someone else already has, but through a unique way of evolving it. That is going to come through you. Next, we're going to talk about creative imagination. Okay, how does creative imagination work for us? What areas of our life can we use it in? What kind of visions can we use it in? So to find out, tune into my next videos. Please subscribe, like, share if you think somebody will benefit from this. And with that being said, to your genius.